Guys, look what we have found. It's a sad baby bird. You're okay. Give some space. Yeah, we found this somewhere outside by the big tree right behind the car on the side by the curb, so luckily it's okay. And it's making some cute sounds. They're so sorry for it too. So yeah, I tried to feed the baby bird this, but I called my aunt and she said that we were doing it wrong and we had to like put the food this moist cat food we can't really just drop into their mouths. That'll hurt it a little. We have to like shove it all the way in the neck. And metal tweezers, they're sharp, so that wasn't working. So sadly, I don't think this baby bird could stay with us. But it was fun. It was fun while it lasted. It wasn't fun for my parents, but it was fun for me at least. I mean, I enjoyed it. It's like having a good friend. Isn't that right? Yeah. So we're going to take the box out, throw it back into the trees. Well, you know what I mean. Just try like help me find it. I mean, there are birds out there, so maybe they'll like claim it as theirs, maybe. And hopefully, this bird gets his life back. Come on. Have one more look at me. And it's really trying to stand up too. It has always to stand up a few times. I think it's best to leave it to the mama birds for this. So yeah, the baby bird isn't hurt, which I don't think it is, and we're going to let it go into this tree over here. So yeah, I'm at a good point from the little bird. See, we dropped him off by the tree, and hoping that one of the birds come in, because I think there was one. Hope it's moving again. Let me leave this back on. I'll be going back for the box eventually. Goodbye, bird friend. It's official, guys. The baby bird has been found. She's feeding it. Look at that. Let's go around back so we don't bother it. Hey guys, it's me again, and I don't know where the mama bird went, but there's the father bird, which is guarding the area for the baby bird, which is right by the tree stump. See, look, that's the father. I mean, it's easier if I was up close, but I'm giving him space. Okay, and it's checking the area to guard the baby bird, so that while the mama bird is away, the father can guard the area to protect the baby, which is so cool. I mean, the baby was just like right by the road, like on the concrete, and now we moved over there, and now it's being helped. This is so cool. Well, yeah. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this wonderful video, please do subscribe, and I'll try to do more awesome videos. And the sunset's shining on me. My time to shine. Well, see you guys soon.